Haleluya, hama dzinodikana. Mapisarema chapter 12 bhuku rinoti batsirai Jehovha nekuti vanoda Mwari panyika vave vashoma. Mukoma Pardon Gambakwe, musagare, musaite tsika yekugara kure nechokwadi. Kaona vanhu vakanyarara, musafunge kuti vanhu vakapusa kana kuti havana zvekutaura. Udzai audience yenyu kana kuti followers anokutendai chokwadi. Musangoti some other funds makapazimu. It is Zimbabwe Intercessors Movement takavapa $60 through Eco Cash. Kana ngotaura takavapa some other funds. Ka some other funds mwe munhu anofunga kuti makati pa $1,000 kana kuti $16,000. Taurai kuti takavapa $60, which is $60. Panguva yatai deliver 36 letters. Ndichiti kune vanhu ngatiitei groundwork first. $60 tika haya makuria services. Vakomana zvimudhudhudhu vakadeliver 12 letters, $5 each letter. Saka pakadeliver 12 letters pa $60 out of 36 letters. Saka musaita kunge makamira kwazvo. Udzai vanhu venyu chokwadi. Secondly, nyaya yekuBotswana kuSADC. Makati imimi muri kutsvaga team, makanditi Nyamakanga Bishop Nyamakanga tsvagai kuvana venyu vesangano anokupai 4x4 yoiswa fuel ye $100, which was 2,000 rands dzamakanga muinadzo. Tikaramba for our own reasons. Ndikati unzai 2,000 rands, $100 idzodzo kuno. Titange tasenda matsamba adautwa delivered to 3,000 churches and ministries. Taida kuzviita Sunday yaitevera yacho. Mukati imimi moda kutanga manzwa kuna fanda wenyu. Mukazodzoka zorovira muchiti fanda wenyu aramba ati mari iripo ndeyekuenda kuSADC kuBotswana. Ini Bishop Nyamakanga ndikakupindurai ndikati mumeeting munhu wese aripo. Saka tikuramba tavega mpinyu. Ndikapindura ndikati kudii? Ndikati isusu hatigone kuita zvinoda fanda. Fanda anopinda muvision yedu, kwete kuti isusu tipinde muvision yafanda. Kwete kuti ane mari ndiye anoda kukontrola zvatiri kuita. Ndosaka makaona tisina kumbobvira takatsvaga mafanda anonzi anopa $1,000 mari dzakareba. Ndosaka meona Zimbabwe Intercessors Movement taishandisa mari dzedu dzataifanira kutenga upfu nechingwa, ndo dzataishandisa $10, $2 vanachibvisa konde. Saka udzai vanhu chokwadi, musagare kure nechokwadi. Anti muri kuona kuti imimi muri kuzviti muri majournalist nditeererei. Itai basa renyu reujournalist. Musade kubva mafunga kuti makuda kutoita vatungamiri vezvinhu. If you are a journalist, stick to your journalism. Chakanaka, ukangotaura chakanaka sezvachiri, vanhu vanongochigamuchira sezvachiri. So Mr. Gambakwe, this is my point of correction to you. Zvekuti zvimwe zvese vakazondosungwa kunonzi maida kuenda mega kuLusaka mega. Sanyepere vanhu. Maida kuenda mega ende makaenda mega. Kana makasungwa on behalf of your family, not on behalf of Zimbabweans. MaZimbabweans haana kupusa. Ende mkaona takanyarara kudai sona, hazvireve kuti takapusa. Mukatona ngetisina zvat.
Right, can somebody confirm if my sound is back? I do not know what is happening with my sound right there. Please confirm if the sound is back so that we talk about this issue once and for all. You know, this is a problem of Zimbabwe. It's something very difficult Right. Let us try to see. I do not know what is happening. Right here, it seems as if my system is okay. Everything is okay from my side. Everything seems okay from my side. Okay, thank you very much for confirming that it's back. Okay, right. Let us talk about this issue. What Bishop Nyamakanga is saying right here is very important. When we talked about the Botswana trip, we were attacked left, right, and center. But the issue now is Bishop is now coming out because he was part of the people who were planning to go to Botswana. And personally, we were supposed to come as the media to cover what was happening, to give people information about what was happening. That is what we were supposed to do. So the issue right here is, I say to the people of Zimbabwe, Gambakwe personalized something which was supposed to be done by everyone. We were supposed to work as a team. I attended the first meetings. We were supposed to work as a team. But all of a sudden, everybody was left out. They did their thing. Right now, Bishop is coming out, is angry because he's disgruntled because of how everything was handled. He's disgruntled, is not happy because of how everything happened. You know, but sometimes for you to see things late, it's a problem. You need to be quick to see or to recognize things when they are happening. You must be on the forefront. That is very important. But he missed that part. But what is of importance is that right now he is recognizing something, and the issues at hand right now are that there is an issue of money. Bishop is raising an issue of money, saying that Takapi was $60. So this shows that there is information which is moving around, which suggests that they got more. So if Gambakwe got more, he should tell his people the truth that Bishop got how much. That clears the air. However, the issue of Zambia, we said it again, that the issue of Zambia, the reason why, personally, I was quiet more about Zambia was because I realized that what was going to happen and what was being said are two different things. So when you know about something and somebody is telling people about a different thing, you get quiet. So that at the end of the day, you don't become somebody who is contradicting himself. So this is something very important at this point in time. It's very important at this point in time that we deal with these issues. Bishop has raised the issue of Zambia the same way we raised it. I raised the issue of Zambia personally on this platform. I raised the issue of Zambia a few days ago. And I said the reason why Gambakwe was not part of the team is because he wasn't part of the team from the onset. He ran ahead of everybody, and he was now doing things on behalf of the organizers. This is the issue which Bishop is now raising, to say they hijacked everything about what was supposed to happen in Botswana. He did the same. He wanted to hijack again what was happening in Zambia, and he created more problems. So when we are dealing with this issue, guys, let us deal with this issue on an honest basis. Let us not deal with this issue from hatred, from a point of hatred. Let us deal with this issue using facts as per the facts. The issue about Zimbabwe does not need kuti munhu anga achimhanya with a different narrative, a false narrative. Let the organizers lead. Izvi zvinhu zvekuti hanzi we no longer trust Chamisa, takuzviitira zvinhu zvedu sema-citizens, that was a wrong message which was being sent by these people, which caused all the hiccups which happened in Zambia. Vana Judah vaipopota, but chavari kupopota vana Jeff Judah, they do not understand that they were being lied to by Gambakwe. And when we point it, people will say, work together, you are hating Gambakwe. No, we are not hating Gambakwe, we're not dividing Zimbabwe. He actually divided everybody. This is the reason why we have been saying from the onset, Bishop Wakadya, and he's now coming out, he's now a bitter man. Bishop is now a bitter man. The way he sounds, it seems as if he's bitter. But yes, there are all reasons for him to be bitter, because I understand what he went through. I understand what he went through, and nobody is going to trust Bishop once again. Bishop could have come out clean from day number one. He should have come out clean, deal with these issues. First and foremost, Bishop was supposed to be quiet for the first 24 hours. Bishop was supposed to just say, guys, I'm okay, I am safe, and was not supposed to say a lot. Then from there, he was supposed to compose himself, put facts together, come publicly. But right now, you see, it paints a bad picture. We are not in this struggle for money. That is the reason why you have seen me. I'm not running GoFundMe campaigns. It's because we are not in this struggle for money. We are in this struggle for change. But a lot of people are donating monies. There are a lot of people who come to my inbox. We want to fund. We want to fund A, B, C, D. But we are not here for funds. We are here to make sure that we bring change. If you see me bringing an issue to do with money, I'm bringing a specific issue which is not which doesn't have anything to do with the issues of protest or whatever. It's because we know the repercussions of these things. We know that as long as money is involved, there are challenges, there are problems. It's better to go do a GoFundMe which is directed to a specific individual or in danger. That is reasonable. But these issues, ndoda mari yekuenda kuZambia, ndoda mari yekuenda kuBotswana, iwachizwa kuti what you are traveling to find out in Botswana is something which is online. You cannot go to Botswana and bring us online per website. You cannot go to Zambia in pretense yekuti you are going to a protest. Iwewe usiri in touch with the organizers and muchisenda a different message yakasiyana nema organizers. That is so wrong. Very wrong. The organizers came on Chatufa. They clarified the position. They clarified the position. They talked to the people of Zimbabwe. They talked about that trip to Zambia, and they explained everything. Yet the people of Zimbabwe will continue to follow wrong messages and wrong signals. If we continue like this struggle is going to take much longer than anybody can think of. This struggle is going to take much longer than anybody can think of. It's because of people who are running with the narrative gamba. Guys, kune zvimwe zvinhu zvatinogona kuita zvekuti vanhu vanozoti ava vakomana ndo magamba. But I cannot override whatever which is being done by the people on the ground. Myself, I'm a politician. I am a politician. I am doing commentaries as a politician. I am wearing a political jacket. This is the reason why you see I am supporting Nelson Chamisa left, right, and center. It's because I am wearing a political jacket as a politician. So you have to understand these things, guys. Whatever we are doing right here, we are not doing it for fame or whatever. We are doing it because we are playing politics right there. So the moment somebody comes and say, "Atichatungamidze ma politicians pamberi, takuzvitira tega sema citizens," imimi musina munhu ari kukutungamirirai, because you need leadership. Everything you do, you need leadership. You need organizers. How are you going to do things without the political leadership? Imimi kuma citizens kwacho musina leadership yaminayo. This is the reason why we have problems. This is the reason why we have that mess which happened in Zambia. And from the look of things, efforts Zambia, they are wrong. It's because these guys, they did something which was wrong and they were not in contact with the organizers. Let me say this clearly, guys. The people who were organizing Zambia and Botswana are pro-Chamisa people. These are pro-Chamisa people who were organizing. The moment you start to say this thing has nothing to do with the Chamisa takuita chinchedu, you are moving yourself, you are distancing yourself from anything to do with those guys. It means pavachataura kuti isisu tiri kuitira chinhu chevachamisa, iwo chasimudza ruoko kuti objection, we are not doing it for Chamisa. You are now causing confusion. This is the reason why you see some other guys, they were not even given a chance to be part of what was happening in Zambia. It's because of the mentality they were carrying. This struggle yatinayo, we are putting Nelson Chamisa pamberi because tiri kuda kuti painonoperera tibude ne answer. The final day ratiri kuti change yauya, we must get an answer. We can't fight for a battle yekuti tinorwa tapedza kurwa tonzi moda kuti ana apinde totanga tarisana. That is not a struggle. If you go back to the liberation struggle was so specific. They knew about the two candidates they had, Joshua Ngoma and Robert Mugabe. And when they went to the election, they had two candidates, Joshua Ngoma and Robert Mugabe. Right now, we are fighting a front without a definition kana tikabvisa Chamisa. Because mama replace Chamisa mosi yapane vacancy. The military will still come and take over. Voice fill that vacancy. Saka, a lot of people right here are simply blindly following these things. And the problem yatiri kuita ndevanhu vakazwana umkana we data manje. These are the troublesome people. People who have never been on social media, vakungohakira nyaya dzepa social media without doing my background checks. We started fighting for change on this platform from day one. We never deviated from day one. Ratakangotaura kuti tiri kufamba naChamisa, hatina patakabuda. It doesn't mean kuti when we say tiri kufamba naChamisa, we are not recognizing other people vari kuisa effort. This is the reason why you have never heard me disagreeing with other people who are fighting for change in their own quarters, on their own platforms. Vari kufamba naChamisa. You have never heard me talk bad about those people. But here is the thing, Chekuti guys, in 2023, we were in this election. I was a candidate fighting for change. Gambakwe was anti-Chamisa. I'm talking about things, videos which are on his platform. Revisit his videos. Aitaura kuti Chamisa hana plan. Isutiri pa election mode, election phase. Ndaibuda inini pamba pangu 7 a.m. Ndaibuda pamba pangu ndotanga kupinda kupinda pa campaign. Ndapedza campaign ndaiuya ndorara msango. Ndarara msango ndaidzoka pamba makuseni kwachena kwa kuoneka ndodzoka pamba. Ndoita ma videos angu andaiita between 5 or between 5 to 7 ndoita ma videos angu. Then after that ndobuda ndoenda handirare pamba ndaidzoka pamba na 5 a.m. Uchirara msango on daily basis between 5 and 7 ndotarisa chichaswera chichitika to update my videos on social media. I was fighting for change on social media and on the ground. Then we have somebody who was telling us kuti Chamisa ana plan and is now coming riding on Chamisa's name now. Because azvoona kuti the only way is to for him to get audience is to go to Chamisa's supporters. Then Ari Ipapo is causing more chaos and more troubles. Achipesanisa vanhu achivhiringidza vanhu. And when we point these issues, we are the enemies. These are the issues which Bishop is raising right here. It's because Zambia protest semi-hijacked, Botswana protest fully hijacked, Harare protest semi-hijacked again. One day, the people of Zimbabwe will understand what you are talking about right here. It's not a matter of hating somebody. It's not a matter of fighting anybody. It's a matter of facts. It's a matter of what is happening on the ground. We have suffered a lot in the hands of ZANU-PF. To an extent, ekuti munhu akanga achimhanya neZANU-PF in this previous election cannot come to tell us anything about the struggle which we have been fighting for. When we say, guys, varume ava ngavanyarare, hatisi kuvavenga kana kuti hatisi kudivide vanhu. We are telling the truth. We are telling the truth. You know, when everything is happening, there are things which are done purposefully. There are things which are done purposefully. There was a Change Radio team in Zambia. We were not supposed to be there because another media house, which is pro-change, was already there. So there was no need for Makusha to be there. There was no need for Chatufa to be there because another team was already there. The same applies to Botswana. The same applies to the protests happening in Harare. We will share responsibilities. We will share responsibilities. If all media houses go onto the ground and both of them are arrested, who will tell the people of Zimbabwe about what is happening? Which means we will need to share responsibilities. We will put our teams on the ground to do groundwork. And we will be online updating the people of Zimbabwe about what's happening. It's a strategy. And we know that there is nothing ZANU-PF will do to stop us from achieving that. But as long as we have people varikupinda pa this struggle with an aim to destroy, with an aim to yekutsvagambire kuti azonzi ndini ndazviita. Guys, this is wrong. Hatisi kuda kupinda mu Great Zimbabwe yekuti ndinozomira ndoti dai ndisiri inini, dai nyika isina kusununguka. What about somebody a participator zvandisiri kuziva? There are people who funded for the elections to happen in Zimbabwe. There are people who funded the CCC from day one to the last day. But simply because havana ma social media platforms, havasi kukwanisa kuzvitaura and vamwe vacho vakanyarara. I know some of our viewers vakafunda this struggle. In Mwenezi, polling stations were adopted. In my constituency, our followers here adopted polling stations. My agents, vandakashanda navo mumwenezi, they were paid from monies which were donated by citizens abroad. Yes, I know they got their monies. My agents, everyone who was an agent, kuwadi kwangu akawana mari. Because of the people who donated on these platforms. But we have never seen those people vachuya uzokilema glory kuti dai tisiri sutakadai, dai tisiri sutakadai. It's because they understand we are in a struggle. The struggle is not yet over. The struggle is not yet over. It's still fresh. Imagine with somebody like Gambakwe, if that person goes near the people with information. Munosquera every day makarwa vana. Simply because somebody cannot keep his mouth shut on important issues. Imagine if we are to broadcast everything and anything, every phone call yaunosangana na. There are days dzekuti ndinogona kutotadza kuuya live in time, receiving different phone calls, talking to different people because we have to talk to people. But I should not bring anything and everything. Chatine tataura na vanhu ndotoya nacho pa social media. Tataura no uyo ndotomhanya, tataura no uyo ndotomhanya. That is not how you operate. That is not how you operate. And there are people who are kutsvaga dzvene nekunyepa. That is so wrong. 100% wrong. 30 June elections ndakakubvunzai. Dziri kupi 30 June elections dzavaimhanya nadzo? Dziri kupi? Dziri kupi 30 June elections dzavaimhanya nadzo? We are not saying these things out of hatred. We are saying these things because we need to deal with the reality. So for those who came late, go to Bishop Nyamakanga's page. He changed the name. It's now named Zimbabwe Intercessors Movement. That is the new name. It's now named Zimbabwe Intercessors Movement. Go there and you see the video for yourself. You will be able to see the video and you'll be able to appreciate what he said. So for the sake of reference, let me place the link so that those who will be live right here will be able to redirect themselves to that page. I will put the link to the video in the description box before we leave. Saka ukazvitarisa uri kuona kuti vanhu number 1 nyaya dzemari kana usina mbozvishandira muupenyu hwako ukazvibatirawo mari zvinokunetsa muupenyu. Kana usina motive yekusimudzira vamwe vanhu zvinokunetsa muupenyu. Zvinokunetsa muupenyu. I have opened the platform for those who might even want to come live, so that we can have a conversation. The platform is open. Let me see if I can put a link so that those who want to come, because it seems as if some people would think we are shutting them out. Maybe they want those issues to be addressed. This platform is open. If you want to come live, tell me in the comment section live, and I will give you the link. The link is there. I have put the link for everybody and anybody who feel kuti unenyaya dzako dzaurifungidzira kuti pane vari kudzvanyirirwa, vaunenge uchida kuzodefenda kana kuti uchida kupindura or what. This platform is open for everybody and is a free platform. As long as you are not doing ZANU-PF things, you are welcome here. So, Team Zimbabwe, let us be honest with each other. Kana tichida kuwina this struggle, if we want to win this struggle, let us be honest. Let us tell each other the truth. Let us have a motive, a correct motive. We will never win when the information is distorted. Let me answer this. We will never win when the information is distorted. When somebody is saying we are turning right and somebody is saying we are turning left, it means we are failing to have consensus. When we are moving in one direction, we must have one voice and we must have one answer. That is how we win a struggle. So, Nube says your energy is misdirected. Why don't you call Gambakwe and sort out your issues? You are not building anything on that chair. You know what? I'm not here to call Gambakwe or anything else. I'm here to state the facts as they are. It's your business, it's your duty to believe whatever you want, because I'm not here for followers. I'm not here for anything. I'm here for the truth. It's better ndisare ndine vanhu 20 vanotaura chokwadi. I'm happy kana ndikaenda pa live ndine vanhu 20 vandiri kuziva kuti tiri kufamba muchokwadi pane kuva nevanhu 1000 tichiziva kuti we are misleading each other. Hatidaro comrade, hatidaro. Pane vanhu vakatiza pa platform panapa, vamwe vaitori nemazita mahombe vasingachauye pa platform panapa. Hatina mbogara takavanyengerera. Vamwe vacho takatova bloka pa platform panapa, takatova kuti rovai pasi tikava bloka pa platform pano, because we are here to tell each other the truth. We have suffered because of people who are selling out the struggle. People are becoming victims because of people who are selling out the struggle. The reason why I continue to speak about this issue is because pane vanhu vandiri kuziva, people who are dear to me, vane ma contacts avo akaexposwa pakaitika dzese nyaya idzi. Kune vanhu vane ma contacts avo akaexposwa, and they are now being followed left, right and center. And imagine some of them vanenge vari vachishanda mugovernment. That is wrong. You cannot put people's lives at risk like this. That is wrong. So I am speaking out because we need to set the record straight. We need to set the record straight. Bishop vabuda ike zvinezvi vakuchitaura zvinhu zvese zvakaitika. So you cannot dismiss it right now, because Bishop was one of the people vaifana kuenda kuBotswana. Bishop is one of the people vaifana kuendeswa kuenda kuBotswana vakarumiswa dombo. So no matter how you feel about your favorite, we are not here for views. We are here for the truth. Guys, panapa hatisi kutsvaga mari. Hatisi kumbotsvaga mari. Aumana. Hatisi kumbotsvaga mari. That is the reason why you have never seen me ndichiti go fund me. No. You never see me do that. Ukatondoona ndauya panapa ndichitsvaga mari, ndiri kutotsvaga mari yekubatsira umwe munhu ari kutambudzika, champion anenge achitambudzika. At this point tiri panapa kutaura chokwadi, because the moment you fund me, you wakundikontrola. The moment you start giving me money, wakundikontrola. I don't want that. I want my freedom. I want my freedom. So if you are giving me money, ukungondipa mari parudo rwako, kwete kuti hanzi chi. We are self-funded. We have been funding these platforms for a very long time. We have struggled for a very long time on this platform. Network ichinetsa. Vanhu vanga vari committed ne platform iyono vaingouya, network ichinetsa vaingouya. mavideos edu achibreaka achiita sei vaingouya vanhu vari committed vaingouya paplatform pano. So we are not going to change because of anybody who is coming today. We are at 68,000 subscribers, not because of people, new people who are coming right now vane hatred dzavari kurana vanenge vachimhanya new narratives. We said key things. Number one, let us have one person leading. Nelson Chamisa participated and contested. He got around 2 million of the vote. We cannot leave someone like Nelson Chamisa and run with somebody who is unknown. That is point number one. Point number two, a struggle needs to be organized. You can never win a struggle which is not fully organized. This is the reason why we say there must be people on the forefront organizing and other people doing other roles. For example, we are doing the role of information. That is our role. Political information. That is our role. Which means there are people on the ground organizing other things, and when the time comes, they communicate and we communicate. That is how everything happens. I can't be on the forefront with you don't do that, because at the end of the day, you miss everything. Tarisaimono pakasungwa aizviti ari kuorganiza wacho paakasungwa uZambia. What happened? Vanhu vese vakasara vadesperate vasingachazive kuti woita sei. It's because yeumbimbi ndoga. When you are working as a team, you give each other my life feed. Umwe akaenda paground, umwe ari up, umwe ari up, umwe ari up. You give each other my life feed, you coordinate, you do things together. That is how you win a struggle. You will never win a struggle on your own. Because umwe nomwe ane strength yake, kuno umwe ano strategizer, kuno umwe anoita chakati, kuno umwe anoita chakati. Everybody, you then work as a team. So, isusu panapa guys, we tell you the truth. Kana usuru kufila comfortable, unorwa pass. And I'm telling the truth as it is, guys. We are not here for money. We are here for change. We are here to fight for change. That is it. This is the reason why we are risking our lives. We are not risking our lives for a few dollars. I can do business. I have been in business. I have been in business. And now I bought my own cars with my own money. I have worked my entire life. So this issue we are talking about is not an issue yekuti hanzi tiri kunyengerera kuti tikuzopiwa maakwa kana kuti chi. Better ndifambe nesikoro yangu ndichiziva kuti we are fighting for true change. Better ndigare ndichitambudzika ndichiziva kuti I'm fighting for true change than to live large based on lies, based on false donations. That is wrong. That is wrong. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. Let me place the link for Bishop for those who want to go to the platform of Bishop so that you can hear this story from that platform. I have placed the link right there in the description box. You can actually visit and see what is going to happen. Okay. So you see, I want to talk about what my brother Temba is raising right here. He says, journalists and bloggers, you must know each other well. Pro Chamisa Nelson media must associate together away with aligning with ZANU-PF media. Yes, I agree with you. This is the reason why we are aligning to ourselves, because munhu wese watiri kuona kuti ari kurana yake agenda isiri agenda yeshanduko, then there is no need for us to work with him. There is no need. We have been given offers. I was given offers on this platform. I have my chats and now up to this day, and ndakachengetedza dearly, of a prominent ZANU-PF person. He came to my inbox and offered me to give me an office, equipment and studio, including my cameras, motor, my fuel coupons, my privilege yekukava pese panoenda president nepama functions ese. I was even given everything, even an offer yekuti even if vachibuda outside Zimbabwe you can go. I have the chats on my WhatsApp. I have my email correspondence and now. But I said no. Why? It's because we are not there for money. We are not there for trinkets. We are there for the people. In a better Zimbabwe, I'm a businessman, I work hard, I do my own things. I can work for myself, I can work for my family, make money. Zvisiri zvekuti ndapinda mugovernment. In a free Zimbabwe equal, we have my ideas anogona kutisimudza. We have my ideas anogona kutisimudza. One of my goals in my life, time, ndararama, one of my goals is to go beyond Ivins and Sari. That is one of my goals. I want to do business in agricultural sector. Kusvika tadarika Sari ne Ivins. That is one of my goals. So, zvekuzonzanzi kwaitwa zvigaro ku politics. That is not our problem. The reason why I contested in Mwenezi is because vanhu vaityika kucontesta. So we said hatingaendeka tisina candidate. We said hatingaende tisina candidate when we are available. I contested on that seat. Not because ndine chidokwa chekuti dai ndapinda, no. Ndaida kuti tisaenda tisina candidate. I did my best, I campaigned. And I got the best results. Hakuna mbogara kwakwanikwa results akadaro muwadi mangu. I got the best results. And I'm happy. For the first time, my polling stations aiwanika mazero. Akawanikwa vanhu vachitovhota. It's because we did what we were supposed to do. I worked with a team of committed champions per ground. Vanhu vaivhundudzirwa vachivimbwa padzimba dzavo vachiita sei, but they braved up for change. Then right now we have Vanasengezo Chavangu coming to claim glory, coming to claim everybody and everything. Havana Maria Vakaisa, Havana Marizuza Vakaisa, Havana Vanu Vakaisa, nothing. This is the same thing which is happening right now in the media. But we will never be silenced. The reason why I am angry is because these guys, they wanted to trap me. They came to trap me. This is the reason why I am angry. When I warned the people about the videos and audios which were going to come, which were going to be dumped on the internet, a lot of people believed kuti taitamba. But makazozviona zvakuitika is because I knew that these people were recording us secretly. They would call us, record us secretly. They made so many suggestions. Dzekuti Chamisa hasina dhiri, siyana ina Chamisa akatengwa. I was told that personally, pafoni yangu, kundifonera undu dzati hanzi siyana na Chamisa akatengwa. Who are you to tell me that? Who are you to tell me that nonsense? These are the same people who are working with Gambakwe. Vaindifonera vachindiudza izvozvozvo. And you want me to approach Gambakwe with kids gloves? I will not. I will not. Because the same people he is working with ku background are the same people vari kundifonera vachindiudza Chamisa akatengwa, we have evidence, this and that, blah 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 blah. That is nonsense. That is nonsense. This is the reason why I always say, Nelson Chamisa, how much can Nelson Chamisa be bought for? I have asked this question. If Nelson Chamisa wants money, the best thing to do is to be president. Because unenge une chikwama chese, tarisai zviri kuita Mnangagwa ari kurambirapo because ndiye akabata chikwama. So how much can Nelson Chamisa be bought with? Chekuti hanzi angatengesa presidency, awina election otengesa presidency for how much? Zvimwe zvinhu zvinongoda logic, zvinoda munhu anofunga anoona. And you see for yourself kuti propaganda dziri kuranwa nevanhu ava. These are useless people who have never done anything in their lives, who have never impacted any community in their lives. I pay school fees for underprivileged children kumamisha. I have never asked for anybody to assist me. I've never asked for anybody to assist me, but I'm doing that. I'm helping kids, paying their school fees, buying my uniforms, buying my exercise books. That is the most painful thing to do. Zvinorwadza because uri kuburitsa mari yako yawashanda uri kuiburitsa. But it's because we want to improve our communities. This is a responsibility rufana kunge ichitwa negovernment. This is the reason why you are seeing us daily fighting for change. We are funding ourselves. Everything we are doing, We are funding of ourselves. We are not in this game for money, for clout or whatever. Hatisi kutsvaga mbiri, hatisi kutsvaga kupraiswa, hatisi kutsvaga anything else. We want to be working together for the sake of change. So I hope and believe that the people of Zimbabwe will understand this. Stembiso, we are not going to unite with Gambakwe. Let me tell you this. I will never unite with Pardon Gambakwe, come rain, come thunder. In this era and day, maybe, kana Zimbabwe has gonaka, maybe, not izvo zvimamirira zvakaita, I will never unite with Gambakwe. We had conversations with Gambakwe a few weeks ago. Akatiza akaenda na bishop vari 2. Tese tikasara tichiwaira. Tese takasara tichiwaira. Botswana trip ikafaila. Botswana trip yakazoenda Gambakwe ari ega. Yaifanira kuendwa nevanhu vakaenda kuZambia. Those are the same people who were supposed to lead the Botswana trip. Yakafoira why? Yakafoira because of Gambakwe. And one to that hands Tibetan na Gambakwe. We are working with so many media houses. Chatufa is doing his work. I have worked with Chatufa. I have brought Chatufa here. I have gone on Chatufa platforms. We have worked together without any problem. I talked to Rumbi. I talked to him, to her. Personally, I talked to Rumbi. I don't have any problem with her. I talked to a lot of media houses in Zimbabwe, more than 10 to 15 prominent media houses and taura now. On daily basis, we share notes, we communicate, we talk about so many issues. We verify facts together. There are certain moments that we pantoya information and say, guys, have you ever heard about this? Have you ever heard about this? We verify facts together before we report about anything. We talk to each other. What more do you want? How united should we be? So do you think kuti kushanda na Gambakwe ndo kunzi media iri united? You have to think, guys, think. It doesn't mean kuti kana ukashanda na Gambakwe ndo kunzi media iri united. No. I will not work with Gambakwe. I will not work because he has proved to be an enemy of progress. Chese changosvikirwa na Gambakwe achifambi. Pangosvika Gambakwe chete. Kariba, imbondiudzai vanhu vakapinda kuKariba project ya Gambakwe. What happened in the Kariba project? Where are you right now? Ne project kuKariba. What stories were you told? Housing project yaida kurana yakafamba seiko. That is the period yanga singabve ku ZANU-PF HQ. I was invited to ZANU-PF HQ several times in the Karamba kuenda. Why? It's because I don't want to be compromised. I don't want to be compromised. I don't want. My WhatsApp ine mavanhu vakawanda veku ZANU-PF vanondisendera messages. I ignore them. Do you think kwangu kupusa? It's because I don't want to be compromised. One mistake can compromise me. One simple mistake can compromise me. This is the reason why I am remaining truthful to the struggle. Because I don't want to be compromised. We are not fighting this struggle for anything else. We are fighting this struggle for change, and change alone. So whoever is coming with an agenda to make money or whatever, that is none of our business, and we'll continue to fight. So I think I just added something on top of what Bishop has said. And let me clarify. If you are coming here thinking that you are doing us a favor, roll pass. Feel free. We are here for the people who want change. We are here for the people who want to be told the truth. Pandatadza ndifonere undiudze makusha apa wakanganisa apa neapa and see if I will not correct. I have never gone against good advice. There are a lot of people who contact me WhatsApp kwangu no makusha wakanganisa apa neapa. Can you correct here and there? And we correct and we move ahead. I ask, I consult, because this platform, I've said this. The majority of the people who visit this platform are 35 years and older. These are not people who are joking. These are serious people. People who are now serious about life, which means I don't need to come here to joke with those people. We are talking about elders. Vanouya pama platforms panapa. Respected people. Vanouya pama platforms panapa. Which means we are not here to play games. We are here to make sure that we tell a Zimbabwean story our own way. We have been silenced. We can't go to ZBC, we can't go to radio and everything. This is the reason why we have created our own platforms, so that we speak out. We have managed to hold ZANU-PF accountable several times. They have failed to win my battles online because we are always putting them up to task. But it's a diversified effort where every person is coming in his or her own way, and we have to complement each other. You see, this is the reason why I do not have any problem with others who are coming to complement for the struggle. So this is it. And one day, if you are doing your own thing, do it in private. I do not know your own things you are talking about, Mr. Shepherd. We are doing things for Zimbabwe, and we will continue to do things for Zimbabwe without fear, without favor. Hatina munhu watiri kubvunduka kana kuti watiri kutya kana kuti tiri kuita sei tichimhanyiswa kumwe nezuku kuti aiva tiri tega vana Gambakwe vakawanda kuJoburg, and vari vachibroadcasta vachiblasta chamisa vari in comfort of their homes. Isisu takanga tichibroadcasta, check mama videos angu andakaita during the election period and see kuti I broadcast kwa sei. Check. I was always on the go. Always on the go. Mumwe munhu akagara mucomfort. After that achitiudza kuti hanzi Chamisa hana plan, Chamisa hana strategy, this and that. After that, how many people did he manage to discourage to vote? How many people did he manage to discourage to vote? You don't understand the power of social media. We reach millions of views in every month. You don't understand the power of social media. We reach 2-3 million views a month. That is a lot of people coming on the platforms. Every week we engage more than 200,000 people. I'm telling you this. This is the truth. Every week I engage more than 200,000 people on my platform. Reports are there. Which means if I send a wrong message, I'm misleading people to an extent which you will never undo that damage. Imagine if 200,000 people tune in per platform pako and you lie. What is going to happen? Imagine if 90,000 people or even 50,000 people tune in per platform pako, whatever uti Chamisa ana plan. Vanhu 50,000 ivavo vakaudza vanhu 10 each. How many people are there? What about my platforms anenge achiricha vanhu kuma 200,000, 300,000 every week? Imagine munhu kana every week ari kuricha vanhu 300,000. Wotaura iwewe kuti Chamisa hana plan. What do you think is going to happen? Do you think that is going to just go like that? No. We are responding to these issues because taneta nevanu vanetsika yekusilenza vamwe. Bishop Nyamakanga vakasilenzwa na Gambakwe, and credibility yavo kuti vachiwana zvichanetsa kuwana back credibility Bishop Nyamakanga because of Gambakwe. He was one of the people who was vocal. We wanted to continue to have his voice, but where is his voice right now? Where is his voice? You don't consider that, you only consider one man. No, guys. No. We don't do that. We don't do that. Let us tell the world the truth. Let us tell the country the truth always. We are in this struggle for change, not for likes and whatever. So it is what it is, Team Zimbabwe. Kana watama garani mari yako kumba kwako ikoko haumbondone njuya uzokumbira mari yako. I will tell the truth as it is. I will continue to do what I've been doing. Nevanhu vashoma vanenge vachiuya ivavo vachititeerera vakatikoshera. If we get 50,000 people who watches us a week, that is a very, very, very big number. If 50,000 people, if 20,000 people, of 20,000 of them share my WhatsApp groups, then the message will move. The message will go ahead. So we are not worried about big numbers. We are worried about the message which is reaching the people. As long as the right message is reaching the people, I'm happy because our information right here is being shared in my WhatsApp groups. Several WhatsApp groups, information is being shared. So we are happy with that. We know that we are making an impact. So whatever it is, I love you all, Team Zimbabwe. Thank you very much, everybody, for coming. And for those who love Papa Gambakwe and who are attacking us on his behalf, shame on you. And very sorry, because we are not going to stop anytime soon. We have nothing to lose. We have more to gain if we fight him. Chero zvikanzi zvaita sei, chero zvikanzi zvadii varwisa sei, we will continue to fight him up until he does the right thing. Ngasiyane neunhu hwekunyepera vanhu, ngaudze vanhu chokwadi. He was attacking Nelson Chamisa towards the elections. He cannot hoodwink us today. I know that a lot of you were not following during the elections because of different reasons. Go to the videos he was doing during the elections and see. Go to these videos during the elections and see. So never expect kuti ndichabatana nemunhu anotuma vanhu kundifonera kuti tirambe Chamisa. Hakuna zvakadaro. We are fighting for change in Zimbabwe, and we believe kuti Nelson Chamisa is in the right capacity and mind to lead Zimbabwe. So kana ari munhu atiri kumhanya naye, why should we bring others vakafoira politics? Why should we bring others vari kutiza vasiri kutombogona kuuya Zimbabwe kwacho? How can somebody try to convince me to support vanhu vakatiza muZimbabwe vari kutotambudzikawo vari kunze kweZimbabwe? How are you convincing me kuti tishanje nevanhu vari kuda kureviva ZANU-PF? Do you think kana taida kukondesta under ZANU-PF taitadza? Takaramba takati hatigoni kukondesta under ZANU-PF because ZANU-PF is a dandahead party. A party yana yese zvese kungoombera zvataurwa nevakuru. You don't think for yourself. Someone anenga vanatafadzwa mugwadi nana Farai Marapira ndo vanhu vanonga vachikufungira. Do you think those guys they think? No guys. We will fight this battle to the end. Inini ndinorwadziwa because Bishop munhu anga ane potential. I knew Bishop personally. I was talking to Bishop personally. Munhu anga ane potential. But vakavhiringidzwa naGambakwe. Iwo haminoti vakarasikawo papi ndokuteeranawo nemhepo. Tadza kuzviona kuti no kwanda kuendeswa kwakuziko musango. And is now a bitter man. You see, he is now living a bitter man. So the difference with me is, in India I always maintain a smile on my face, no matter the difficulties, no matter the challenges. I will always maintain a brave face. If I tell you what I have lost because of ZANU-PF, I have lost a lot. Sabotage, my business has been sabotaged because of my stance against ZANU-PF. I was running a successful digital business, a very successful digital business, doing my digital designs of all sorts. I'm a graphics designer. I was running my things perfectly and well. Vanhu veZANU-PF vakazvidira jecha, but havana kuzvidira jecha before. Vakatozozvidira jecha ndakuvaundura ndo pavakazvidira jecha. Anduruzvona. But we never stopped. We continued. I was given a condition kuti either leave Chamisa and let your brand grow. I said I'm standing with Chamisa. Let the brand go down. Vanhu vakanditiza ndikasara ndisina vanhu vaiuya kubusiness kwangu. But vanhu vari kudzoka vega one by one, vanhu vari kudzoka kubusiness rangu because basa rakanaka rinozvitengesa. Basa rakanaka rinozvitengesa. There are a lot of people vandarambira kuitira basa ravo. Ndikangoziva kuti uralined kuZANU-PF, ndoramba kuita basa rako. That is the honest truth. Inini ndikangoziva kuti uri aligned kuZANU-PF chete handichatoite basa rako. Saka, this is not an issue of about money or whatever. We are dealing with real issues. I want to tell you this. Let me tell you this. I can design in a day. I can design 5 to 6 logos in a day. Ordinary logos. I can design 5 to 6 logos. And each logo, I can charge $50. 50 United States dollars. I can charge about that amount depending on the quality and the type of logo you want. So I charge in between $5 to $50 depending on the quality, the type of logo, or whatever you want, or whatever kind of design you want. So don't think kuti we are coming here for money, because I can dedicate my time elsewhere and still make money. So this must sink in the heads of some people. Thank you very much, everybody, for coming. I've shared the link for Bishop. For those who came late, I've shared the link. Let me share again for the last time. Follow the link which is coming right there on the screen, so that you'll be able to go and hear kuti Bishop Evanga Wachitichi will continue to fight up until the last day. And it is what it is. I love you all, and I want to thank everybody who have been supporting us right here. Let me remind you, our champion is in court today. Our champion in Mwenezi is in court today, and I will come with an update. I will update. I will post an update. Kana tichinge tawana feedback from the court kuti tinzwe kuti zvinenge zvakamira sei. I will post an update. Our team is with him per court, and we will post an update tichikuudzai kuti zvinenge zvafamba sei. This one is supposed to be a matter of judgment. Both womoyo says Gambakwe hataure mazita evamwe. Ini ndotaura mazita because ndotaura chokwadi. Mazita ndinototaura handimbohwande, handirovembwa ndakaviga mpinyi mukomabhothi. For those who know me, kubva patakatanga inini mazita ndo handinobata. Zita remunhu ndinoritaura without fear, without favor. Especially kana ukakrosa path yangu, I will speak your name even for 100 times in one video. If you cross my path, I didn't want to say anything about Gambakwe. The moment he sent people to call me, then he made a mistake. The moment he sent people to call me, and the moment yakaita zvana Bishop, no, hatisitombobuda ziya mukomabhotho, ziya haritombobudi shamwari, ziya haritombobudi. And the time ndo yatinayo kaya kutaura, I can do 5 hours ndichitaura handiri kuzvona, because I have time and resources to do so. Saka don't worry about anything else. Hatisi kutsvaga zvimwe zvinhu pano. Tinoda kugadzirisa narrative yeZimbabwe, because tinoda kuti struggle yeZimbabwe ifambe zvakanaka. Sellouts must be known for who they are. Let people follow sellouts knowing tavaudza chokwadi kuti uyu wamuri kuteera is a sellout. Mangwana kana kukazonzi kune protest kune kuZambia, muchiudzwa nemunhu asiri iye, mukaenda, musazoblema vanga vachiorganize protest. Musazoblema vanga vachiorganize protest kana maudzwa zvisiri izvo. KuZambia petition yakadilivwa. Akambokuudza here munhu wenyu kuti petition yakanodilivwa successfully. Meetings akaitwa kuhoma kuningi kuforeign affairs aivako here munhu wenyu. Press conference yakakavwa neZambian media akanga ariko here munhu wenyu zvaaitaura kuti hanzi Zambia failed to cover zvaitika ku SADC. Press conference yakakavwa neZambian media tikaiposta panapa, makanga muriko here, akakuratidza here munhu wenyu. Ndosaka tichimubata nezita rake kuti anonzi Gambakwe. He is doing wrong. He is doing things wrongly. Ngaatendeuke aite zvinhu zvakanaka. He is a good communicator, but anonyepa. He is a very good communicator, but you can't be a good communicator who lie. Use that talent, Mr. Gambakwe, to do the right thing. I don't care. Kuti anotichi, I will continue to say the truth as it is, and this kuwanda kana kutichi, because imimi wandimimika ndofunga munoda kuti munhu auya akawanda achizvininipisa achikumbira regerero. That is not me. because chandakamirira panyika pano kufa ndapedza assignment yangu. Assignment yangu yandakatumirwa ndeye kutaura chokwadi, nekutaura kuti uyu ari kukanganisa haasi kuita zvechokwadi. For those who know me, if you call me ndinongokudza chokwadi. Call me with your nonsense, I will tell you the truth. Saka it's not a matter yekuti hanzi tinomboswera tichinyengererana kuti hanzi tichazopiwa machi. Hatisi kuda akwa baba, hatisi kuda akwa panapa. Saka iwewe ita yako nyaya. Let me tell you this thing, guys. I am not doing these things in my capacity as a journalist, no. I am doing this thing in my capacity as a politician. I am doing this in my capacity as a politician and a political analyst and commentator. This is the reason why you see atinyanye kuswera tichimhanyirana nedzimwe news dzese dziya. Dzimwe news dzatinounza panapa at secondary. Isusu we deal with politics and political matters called political commentary. This is the reason why musiri kutiona tichimhanya kumatare kwana chief kuya tichiunza zvinyaya zvemachief. No. You will not see us moving around kumachief uko. We are here for politics. We are here for politics. Specifically politics. That is our primary goal and aim, to talk about politics. Saka ku politics kunobatwa mazita, nekuti hakuna chidhoma ku politics. Kune vanhu vanotofamba, kuna Mnangagwa, kuna Chamisa, kuna Chiwenga. Tichitombobata raMnangagwa tozotya raGambakwe. Iwe tamushe mukoma bhodhi. raMnangagwa charo tinoribata tozotya raGambakwe. Think twice, my brother. We have been attacked so many times. Ini ndakarowerwa mukadzini nevanhu vefazi. Takarowerwa mhuri nevanhu vefazi. Andiri kuzviona. Umwe munhu achitaura kuti hanzi Chamisa hana plani, isusu tichirowerwa vanhu vedu. Tairowerwa vanhu vedu isusu paground. Zvinhu zvakaoma. I will not say this, guys, for so many times. Zvinhu zvakaoma mumwenezi. Ndapinda pakaoma. I made a call to someone. A security detail ikadispatchwa from Harare to come to Mwenezi. Zvinhu zvakaoma ndiri council candidate. Zvakaoma zvinhu ndiri pakaoma parumana nzombe. A security team was dispatched from Harare to my rescue. Polisi yaramba kudhila nenyaya dzangu. Wozotanga utiudza nhasi iwewe kuti hanzi hana plan. Iwewe ndozotanga utiudza kuti hana plan. If he could come for the welfare of the people in Mwenezi, vaiatakwa. They came and they calmed the situation. The ground was very hot. Takazopedza kuita campaign, zvinhu zvakufamba chazvo negwara razvo. Takazopedza kuita campaign. I will post my pictures edu e-campaign panapa. I will post my pictures edu ema-last days edu e-campaign. Zvinhu zvakuchinyatsofamba negwara razvo. Vanhu vachipinzwa mugwara ravo chairo. Nevanhu vamuri kuti hanzi havana plan. Umwe munhu aiwawata, hana plan. Up to the last day of the election. After the election manje, akuchitsvaga aona kuti akuda ma-viewers, akuchitanga kumhanya nezita raChamisa. No. We are not going to allow that. We are not going to allow that. We believe in Advocate Nelson Chamisa, and we continue to fight, and we will defend. Do you think kuti in the world of Varakashi, Gambakwe will stand Varakashi zvaari? But we have resisted Varakashi on Twitter, on Facebook, everywhere. We have resisted them successfully. We have resisted them successfully. Isu, we have worked in coordination with other champions successfully, and we have managed to repel propaganda of Varakashi on both platforms. And you order to that hanzi Gambakwe, this Gambakwe, that him Zabata Stara Gambakwe, who is he? Patai was the election I kupi. Tichir was the election I kupi Gambakwe. Gambakwe na Chabangu na Richard Changirai nevamwe same WhatsApp group. Chingori chikwata one. Nana Jonathan Moya. We fought Jonathan Moyo when it was not fashionable to do so. We fought Jonathan Moyo. Where was Gambakwe? Where was Gambakwe when Jonathan Moyo was saying all those nonsense against the change champion and we were fighting against him? Tisingarari. Some of us tinotori nema sleeping problems. Hatichatogoni kutorara. Hatichagoni kurara simply because of ZANU-PF. Haticharari vamwesu simply because of ZANU-PF. Ewo oda kutiudza kuti hanzi toramba tichingosapota ZANU-PF chete. Kumwenezi enda kumwenezi unoona pari kudzidza vana vakagara. Inini I afford kuti mwana wangu aende pa better school iri kutown. What about mukoma wangu ari pa next door? What about umwe munhu ari pa next door? You see, these are real issues. I can pay school fees for my child, but I cannot afford to pay for the whole village kuti vaendese vana vavo kuzvikoro zviri nani. Tinogona kubatanidza tovabhadharira ma$20 evana vavo, totsvaga vana 10-20 vatinobhadharira ma$20 every term. We have been doing it and we are doing it. But handizozvikwanise kubhadhara ma$100 kuvana vese vemuvillage yangu kuti vanodzidza kuzvikoro zviri kutown, because we are paying fees. Vachada kudya, vachada ma-uniforms, vachada transport, vachada accommodation. I will not be able to do that. But nyika ikanaka, zvikoro zvinovakwa kumwenezi ikoko, vana vedu vopinda zvikoro. This is the reason why we are fighting for this change. Gambakwe was fighting against that pa election ya Tabvai. Evidence iri pa platform pake. Go and see for yourself. He was fighting. But tichirwisa kudaro panguva iyoyo hatina mbogara takamenshena zita rake one day. Hatina. Because tairwisa in our own way. Reason why takumenshena zita rake is because he crossed the paths. He is now destroying izvi zviri kuitwa nevanhu. Ouya ovhiringidza odestroya ovhiringidza. Botswana yaifana kunge yakaita successful, yakafoira. Petition yakazonodeliverwa kuZambia yaifana kunge yakadeliverwa kuBotswana, but trip iyoyo yakafoira because anga avhiringa and our people were no longer safe. Ndo vanhu vamaida kuti Gambakwe aende oenda pavari vanhu ivavo maorganizers iwayo oenda paari vototi titambire Mr. Gambakwe welcome you kupi. Guys, this is not a matter of hatred. This is a matter of facts and the reality. This is a matter of facts and the reality. Struggle yedu chaita kuti igare yakadai inyaya yevatengesi. Vanhu vamune musingafungiri vana Chauton Wende, vana uyu vesa vekumarondera, vana Mateo. Vanhu vamune musingafungiri, they sell the struggle for the sake of their stomachs. What is the difference papa vanhu ivavo na Gambakwe? Because haiti pasina chamisa pamberi neZANU-PF ndo zvaaita. Ike zvino izvi akuchimhanya pamberi manje ndiye akuziva chamisa tabva paelection, ndiye akuchiziva kuti muZimbabwe munoda change. Change yaigona kunge yakangoitika zviri easy before the elections. Vanhu vese kana vanga vakavhota overwhelmingly. Pane pamwe paunozoona kuti apa chero ndichida kubirira hapachabiririka. But he failed to use his influence towards that. I can tell you kuti in the last election, people who managed to register from my platform vakakonfirma neni kuti vakaregister kuvota because of my campaign. Vaisvika 2000. People who registered to vote were from the platform. What about vamwe vatisingazive vasina kukonfirma? That is making an impact. 2000 vanhu ivavo vakawanda. Because vakakonvinza umwe nomwe akakonvinza vanhu vake 5. We now have 10,000. You see? So it's a matter of understanding these things which zvinofamba sei. This is the reason why you have never heard me blasting other platforms vari kuita zvo zvine musoro. So let me put my contacts right on the screen. so that those who want to get in touch with me, but please, this is WhatsApp only. If you call me, you will not get in touch with me. This is WhatsApp, strictly WhatsApp, specifically WhatsApp, and this is our one and only WhatsApp contact. Ndoyega yatinayo, atina zvekare imwe yatinayo. And currently our email address was not working, but let me see if I can write something for our email address. For those who can't come to the WhatsApp, we have email address mkundiafricatv@gmail.com. That is our email address, mkundiafricatv@gmail.com. That is our email address again. So these are the only ways you can contact us. It's either you come through WhatsApp or you come through email. Inini personally, I respond to everybody and anybody per WhatsApp. Andina munhu andinonyararira anenge achiti andina muresponda anenge achitoreva nhema. This is it, Team Zimbabwe. I love you all, and we are doing this not for money, not for fame, but we are doing this for change. And I hope and believe that you will understand me. When I started to come here, I couldn't even speak English. That is a fact. I couldn't even speak good English when I started to come here. But I'm now better. It's because we adopted. Vanhu vakati, no, you cannot speak in Shona. We have Ndebeles, Shanganis, Tonga, everybody. So I started using English. It's because we listen to the concerns of the people. It's because we are doing this for the sake of the people. So this is our email address for those who want to contact us through email. This is our email address, and I have placed the phone number for those who want to get in touch with us. Feel free to be in touch with us. Also, if you want to come live on this platform, feel free to hit the inbox. Ukangondudzwa kuti sha hande live izvezvi totoenda live, no objections, no what. Even ukandimutsa 1 am ukandudzwa kuti ngatitoita live, totoita live, as long as usiri weZANU-PF, as long as usiri uzoita pamberi neZANU-PF, tapindira. But kana une imwe agenda weZANU, you find other ZANU-PF platforms and you'll be able to do so. So it is what it is. We continue to fight for change. Let me end this here. Okay, Hanzi mambo munonyepa. This is tapera matibiri. Parukunyepwa ndepapi naeva matibiri. Because pana pandataura nyaya dzavagambakwe. And nyaya dzavagambakwe dziri pa platform pavo. You go there, the videos are there. And I've given you a period yekubva pa-election zvichidzokera kumashure, and I am notarisa kuti aiti chii. So I do not know. You are entitled to your own thinking. This is the reason why takavhura comment section. Hatina kuita sevamwe vanovhara ma-comment section. Takavhura comment section kuitira kuti vese vane pfungwa dzavo dzakasiyana siyana vange vachidziisa. So I'm just doing this video. This is a commentary video, a reactionary video. This is after Bishop Nyamakanga vataura zvavataura. Key issues dzataurwa naBishop. Vari kutaura ivo kuti vakapiwa $60 naGambakwe. Hamenowo kuti Gambakwe akaudzawo vanhu kuti chii, but ndo zvavari kutaura. And hanzi zvaGambakwe plus zvekuti munobvisa ZANU-PF iri kuenda tapera. ZANU-PF ndo iri kuenda wangu. Where we have come from, tabva kure. ZANU-PF ndo iri kuenda. We have achieved something which was never achieved in the past. We achieved something in the past election. We achieved something in the past election. And iwewe na Gambakwe wako rambai muchiwirirana stereki. Ukaona anything to do with Africa and beyond, rova pasi misatapera. This is the reason why tichishandisa mazita Africa and beyond, so that when you see Africa and beyond and the logos, you say ndo uya mchinda uya asingadi nonsense dzinechekuita na favorite wangu wogara warova pasi. That is so easy. It's a voluntary to be here. And the reason why I am angry is because we are fighting in a struggle where we are dealing with dangerous people, and someone is taking people for a ride, taking people for granted. That is so wrong. You don't do that. You don't do that. And most importantly, don't try to destroy others by blackmailing them. Never blackmail others. Never blackmail others. The moment they started to blackmail me is the moment I made decision kuti ndakuchitaura nezvavo publicly. Is because takarealize kuti vari kuda kuti blackmailer. Chimbondiudzai guys, imimi anatapera, what were you going to do if Gambakwe had posted a video about me ndichirakasha President Chamisa? What were you going to do? Were you going to say Gambakwe is lying? Or you were going to stand with him? Saka, when we are dealing with these issues, we are not dealing with these issues on a point of hatred. No. Vana bothu hanzi usafunga kuti munhu wese ari waona pano ifriend yako. Panapa shamwari, we are here to talk to people who want change and also who align with what we are saying. This is the reason why you click on your own. Ati kuvurire video pa phone pako kana pa computer pako, you open on your own. It's your choice to be here. If I choose Mr. Bothwell, I can block here and block you, and you will never be able to watch my videos. Uchishandisa account yako futi. I can choose to block you. Right here ndogona block raipo pano, and you will never be able to watch my videos again. I have blocked so many people. But hatiku block because you have a chance to say whatever you want. You see, it's your right to defend your favorite, and I will never be angry. Ukatonzwa chinzi chinzanzi ndanyatsokubatikana. My anger is towards Emerson Mnangagwa, not you. My anger is towards Emerson Mnangagwa because he's the one who is failing to build hospitals, clinics, roads, water facilities in my area. So he's the one who is failing to build schools for our kids, not you. Imimo Mr. Bothu muri kutotambura sezvatiri kutoitawo. Saka it's not a matter yekuti hanzi tatongozivanawo panapa pa social media. So the only way we build a relationship is when we agree on certain matters. And it's wise and good for you to work with people who believe in you for who you are. If I build an audience based on pretense, I'm not doing myself any favor, because one of the days, the people will know who I am. So it's good for people to know Jandiri right now, so that everybody who associates with me knowing that if you call me, I will never record you and post on social media. That is me. But if you record me with an intention to post me, I will do the same. Because I will know before you do it. What you do not know is technology is very, very sophisticated. The moment you start to record me, I get a notification on my phone that you are now being recorded. Automatically, my phone starts to record because that is my protection kit. So the moment you start to record me, when you are calling me and the moment you start to record me, I start to record you automatically because that is how I have set things. If you record me, my phone records you too. So your recording ya uri kuita iyoyo is the same recording inongosaveka kufoni kwangu. Because pese pa uri kungonotanga kurekoda, my phone automatically senses and starts to record and saves in the gallery. Even ndikakuitira a normal phone call and you record me, that recording ya waita iyoyo, it will be saved again. Saka takukuziva. Because some of you think kuti technology is here for mahala. We need to work, and we continue to work. And our duty is to inform the people of Zimbabwe. There are people working on the ground, doing what is necessary to be done, and we compliment them in our own way. So, zvana tapera izvi, you know, kune vanhu vaitaura kuti Smith haaende. Vana muzorewa vachisapota zvakanga zvichitwa nana Smith, they never believed kuti Smith achabva. But what happened? Smith akabva by ginde, achida asingade, akaenda. If you think kuti ZANU-PF is there forever, you are lying to yourself. Robert Mugabe, Grace Mugabe akati baba va Mugabe vachatonga vari kuguva. Did that happen? No. Robert Mugabe died a miserable man, a bitter man. Why? It's because chimwe nechimwe chine nguva yacho. Uye chimwe nechimwe chine zvachinoitirwa. I always tell people kuti, do you think Chamisa kana anga akapinda 2018 kana 2023 angadai achiri pachigaro? No. Because imagine kuti dai Chamisa akapindana na Wende nana Mateo nevese chikwata chese ichi chema sellouts ichi. Do you think he was going to survive that? No, he was not. But God is faithful. God does his own things in his own ways. And change is coming to the nation of Zimbabwe. How it is going to come, you will see it for yourself. You will see it. Kana Mugabe akamboenda. What about uyu watina yezvezvo? Mugabe atombori nemwe respect yatomboronayo yaingowana kuti akaenda kupi. He was respected, Robert Mugabe. Manje avanotokumbira. You see. So it is what it is, Team Zimbabwe. Thank you very much, everybody, for coming, and we'll continue to fight for change. Yeah, today has been a long day. We have a lot to do, and I do not know if I will be able to come back with other issues, but we'll be seeing. If I get time to come back with other issues, we'll be coming back, but I have other issues to do, other private issues to do. So probably if I don't come back tomorrow, we'll be talking to tomorrow. That is when we'll be able to talk. So Mkoma Ellison, how are you? Ellison Madenyika, my brother. How are you, my brother? This is one of ZANU-PF supporters who has been here for a very long time. He has been joined Nana Tapera Matibiri. He is together with his brother Tapera Matibiri today. Right. So change will come. Change will come. Not because of anything, but because of God. God is going to deliver Zimbabwe, and change will come to the people, to the nation of Zimbabwe. Believe me, change will come to the nation of Zimbabwe. The reason why I support Nelson Chamisa is because he is the person who is supposed to lead, he is capable, and he does have the ideas. So that is what we need. Imimi, Rambe Murukuzanu kwenyu, na Gambakwe venyu ikoko. Thank you very much, Team Zimbabwe. Thank you very much for coming.